Hello everyone. Now in our fluid mechanics and hydraulics, today we are going to see our next topic is total pressure on a curved surface. In a previous video, we showed that total pressure and center of pressure. Then after we saw total pressure and center of pressure on inclined plane member in liquid. So first of all, what is total pressure and what is center of pressure? So definition is there. Total pressure is defined as the force exerted by static fluid on a surface, either plane or a curve, when the fluid comes in contact with the surface. This force always act normal to the surface. Then center of pressure, the point at which the total pressure act on a surface immersed in a liquid. The point at which the total pressure act on a surface immersed in a liquid is known as center of pressure. The center of pressure lies below the center of gravity of the immersed surface. So now next is total pressure on a curved surface. Total pressure on a curved surface. Now consider a curved surface AB wholly submerged in a static fluid as shown in figure. Here figure is given. Let dA is the area of small strip at the depth of h from the water surface. चलो अब हमें क्या करना है, कंसिडर करना है एक सरफेस, कंसिडर करना है ए बी, जो यहाँ पे हमें फिगर में दिया गया है. फिगर आप देख सकते हो, ए बी कर्व. लेट हमें क्या कंसिडर करना है, डी ए यानी कि एरिया ऑफ अ स्मॉल स्ट्रिप एट अ डेप्थ ऑफ एच फ्रॉम वाटर सरफेस. इंटेंसिटी ऑफ प्रेशर ऑन द एरिया, ठीक है, इंटेंसिटी प्रेशर इंटेंसिटी आएगा एरिया पे. सो इट इज़ डी ए इंटू पी, सो इट इज़ रो जी एच. प्रेशर फोर्स ऑन एरिया, प्रेशर फोर्स ऑन एरिया डी एफ इक्वल टू पी इंटू डी ए, पी मल्टीप्लाई बाय डी ए, सो रो जी एच इंटू डी ए. So this force dF act normal to the surface. This force dF act normal to the surface. So total force on a curved surface F is equal to integration rho h into dA. Integration rho h into dA. But here the direction of the force on the small element are not in the same direction but changes from point to point, hence integration for a curved surface is not possible. ठीक है. अब क्या होगा, डायरेक्शन जो होगी फोर्स की वो स्मॉल एलिमेंट में सेम डायरेक्शन में नहीं रहेगी बट चेंज होती जाएगी पॉइंट टू पॉइंट. ठीक है. सो इंटीग्रेशन फॉर अ कर्व सरफेस इज नॉट possible. The problem can be solved by resolving the force dF in two component. अब फोर्स कैसे हम सॉल्व करेंगे, टू कंपोनेंट dFx component dF in x direction, dFy component of dF in y direction, बराबर x direction and y direction. So the total force in x and y directions fx and fy obtained by integrating dfx and dfy. Then total force on the curved surface is F equal to F square root of fx square plus fy square, fx square plus fy square. An inclination of resultant with horizontal tan phi is equal to fy upon fx. Resolving the force dfx equal to df sin theta rho gh into dA sin theta. dfy df cos theta rho gh into dA into cos theta. So total force in the x and y direction are fx is equal to integration dfx. So it is equal to integration of rho gh dA into sin theta. Rho g is constant, rho g into h into dA sin theta. So fy is equal to integration of dfy equal to integration of rho g h into dA sin theta is equal to rho g integration h into dA into cos theta. So figure shows the enlarged area dA is triangle EFG. So EF equal to dA, FG equal to dA sin theta. It is vertical projection of area dA. EG equal to dA cos theta, horizontal projection of area dA. Hence fx equal to rho g integration of h into dA into sin theta. It represents the total pressure force on the projected area of the curved surface on a vertical plane. So integration of h into dA cos theta is the total volume contained between the curved surface extended up to free surface. So fy equal to rho g integration of h into dA into cos theta represent the total weight supported by the curved surface up to a free liquid surface. So as shown in the figure, the curved surface AB is not supporting any fluid. In such cases, Fy is equal to the weight of the imaginary liquid supported by AB up to the liquid surface. The direction of Fy will be taken in upward direction. ठीक है, तो ये हुआ total pressure on a curved surface. Now next is moment of inertia of some important geometric shape. ठीक है, आप ऑलरेडी मोस्ट में पढ़ चुके हो, लेकिन एक बार रिपीट करेंगे. मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ सम इम्पोर्टेंट स्टैंडर्ड जियोमेट्रिक शेप. सो फर्स्ट इज रेक्टेंगल. सो आई जी इक्वल टू आई एक्सेस. मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया इज इक्वल टू बी डी क्यूब बाई 12. एरिया मिलेगा बी इंटू डी. ठीक है, वाई बार इट इज डी बाई 2, d by 2, I base bd cube by 3, bd cube by 3. ट्राइंगल. सो ट्राइंगल के लिए मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया एट बेस पे मिलेंगे बी एच क्यूब बाई 12. मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया आई एक्सेस आई जी इक्वल टू बी एच क्यूब अपन 36. एरिया इक्वल टू 1/2 बेस इंटू साइड 1/2 b into h, y bar equal to 1/3 h. Then circular ig ixs is equal to pi by 64 d raised to 4. ig equal to ixs is equal to pi by 64 into d raised to 4. Area pi by 4 into d raised to 4 pi r square. y bar is equal to d by 2. सर्कल के लिए, ट्राइंगल के लिए एंड रेक्टेंगल के लिए. सेमी सर्कल आई जी इक्वल टू 0.1 1 आर रेस टू 4. आई बेस पाई बाई 128 इंटू डी रेस टू 4. एरिया ए इक्वल टू पाई बाई 8 इंटू डी स्क्वेयर. सो इट इज पाई आर स्क्वेयर बाई 2. वाई बार 4 आर अपन 3 पाई. So it is y bar. Trapezium ig ixs is equal to a square plus 4ab plus b square upon 36 a plus b into h cube. So area a is equal to a plus b into h by. So y bar is equal to h by 3 into b plus twice a अपन b plus a, b plus twice a plus b plus twice a. So it is some moment of inertia for a standard section. Now next is Example, so a rectangular lamina of size 3 meter by 5 meter is immersed vertically in a water such that 5 meter side is parallel to lies below 1 meter to the free water surface. Determine the total hydrostatic force and center of pressure. A rectangular lamina is given, so area B into D, size of rectangle is 3 by 5, so it is area equal to 5 into 3, so 15 meter square. Now H bar, so 1 plus 1.5, so it is 2.5. IG standard rectangular section, so it is BD cube by 12, so 5 into 3 cube by 12, so it is 11.25 meter is to 4. Total pressure, hydrostatic force F, rho GA into H bar, rho is equal to 1000, G 9.81, area 15 into H bar 2.5, so it is 367875 Newton. So F equal to 367.87 kilo Newton. Center of pressure, H bar IG upon AH plus IG upon AH bar plus H bar, IG 11.25 upon 15 into 2.5 plus 2.5, so it is 2.8 meter. Okay. So in this way we can solve all the example. Now next example is an isosceles triangle of base 3 meter and altitude 6 meter is immersed vertically in a water such that its axis of symmetry is horizontal and parallel to free surface of liquid. If head of water on the axis is 9 meter, calculate total pressure and depth of center of pressure. So triangle is given, so area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base into side, so 1/2 into 3 into 6, so 9 meter square. Consider two triangle. Moment of one triangle about base I1 BH cube by 12, so B6 into H 1.5 cube divided by 12, so I1 equal to 1.6875 m raised to 4. IG is equal to 1.6875 plus 1.6875, so it is 3.375 m raised to 4. Total pressure F, rho GA H bar, density rho 1000 into 9.81 G into 9 into 9, so 794610 Newton, so it is 794.61 kilo Newton. Center of pressure H star, so it is IG upon F, area into height plus H bar, so 3.375 upon 9 by 9 plus 9, so it is 9.04 meter. So in this way we can find total pressure and center of pressure. फॉर्मूला इक्वेशन याद रखो, वेरी इजी. सो डेफिनेशन क्या रहेगी टोटल प्रेशर? टोटल प्रेशर इज डिफाइंड एज द फोर्स exerted by a static fluid on a surface, either plane or a curve, when the fluid come in contact with the surface. This force always act normal to the surface. Then center of pressure, the point at which the total pressure act on the surface immersed in a liquid is known as center of pressure. So center of pressure lies below the center of gravity of the immersed surface. Okay, so it is the difference between total pressure and center of pressure.